Today I will talk to you about a problem called dry eye. Now, what is dry eye? Dry eye is a deficiency of tear film that covers your eyeball. Now, this tear film, although we don't realize, is a very complex structure. It's made up of multiple layers. There is a small gland called lacrimal gland that sits above your eyeball. It secretes this fluid that covers your eyeball, and through a small tube on the inner side of your eye, the fluid flows from your eye to your nose and then the throat and gets absorbed. Whenever there is a disturbance in this process, the natural tear cover of your eyeball is compromised, and it is called as dry eye. Whatever light that comes into your eye bent at this surface, that is why this layer is so important, because if there is a deficiency or disturbance of this layer, you are not going to get a clear vision, or you are not able to see clearly the world outside. And every time you blink, this tear film is resurfaced to your eyeball, so that you get a fresh supply of tear film every time you blink, and you are able to see things very clearly. Most of the people, they work on screen for longer hours. Either it could be a TV or a mobile or your computer screens, but when you do that, you forget to blink, and if you don't blink well, your tear film is going to break. So we always tell these computer professionals that whenever you are working on a screen, make sure you blink more, because if you blink more, you are going to prevent dry eye. So once we determine what is the cause for your dryness, whether it is aqueous deficiency, that is your lacrimal glands are not secreting properly, whether it is meibomianitis, that is your lipid layer is deficient, or it is inflammatory, that is systemic diseases causing dryness. Once it is determined, we are able to treat your dry eye better, because we can target the specific reason why it is occurring. So say if it is meibomianitis, we do a treatment called LipiFlow. So what does LipiFlow do? Your meibomian glands, if they are blocked with meibum, we need to dissolve that meibum and let it flow out of your glands, so that your glands are opened up. What LipiFlow does is it applies a particular amount of heat and pulsation so that these glands are all cleaned out and your lipid layer is restored. This is a FDA approved treatment. This is a one-time 12-minute procedure which is just done in OPD. It is totally painless. And once this procedure is done, it is effective for almost a year. There is no such other treatment which can really claim to be that effective. So this is a very standardized and very effective eye care treatment for this kind of meibomianitis disease. And then if it is aqueous deficiency, we give any tear substitutes like tear drops. So if it is an inflammatory dry eye, we give you anti-inflammatory drops. We also refer you to your physician to treat your arthritis better or any other systemic problems. So this is how the treatment of dry eye is done, so that your tear film is again restored to a natural state. So how does a person know that he has a dry eye, or what are the symptoms of dry eye? There is something called a new terminology called computer vision syndrome, because people working for a long time on computers tend to blink their eyes less. They develop grittiness, redness, and they are not able to work on computers for a long period. This is called computer vision syndrome. Other symptoms of dryness are you get recurrent lid swelling, you get reflex watering because of dryness. Your ability to work on screens is reduced significantly, and that is how one comes to know that he has dryness. So what care you need to take in your day-to-day work to avoid dryness? You need to blink more frequently, and if you work for long periods, that is more than 2-3 hours on a screen, it's better you use lubricating drops. Every 2-3 hours you are on a screen.